Oracle CRM is a suite of tools designed to help businesses manage customer interactions, sales, and marketing efforts more effectively. Here's how to use it. Sign up and set up Oracle CRM. First, sign up for Oracle CRM by visiting Oracle's website and choosing the right CRM plan for your business. After purchasing, you'll gain access to Oracle's cloud platform where you can configure the CRM system. Add and manage contacts. Use Oracle CRM to add customer and prospect details manually or through import. You can track contact information, interactions, and opportunities in one place. Create custom fields to capture relevant data and segment customers for targeted campaigns. Track sales and opportunities. The CRM allows you to create sales pipelines to track leads, opportunities, and deals. Use custom reports to assess progress, forecast sales, and identify bottlenecks. Automate marketing campaigns. With Oracle CRM, you can create and manage email campaigns, track customer engagement, and automate follow-ups based on customer behavior and lifecycle stages. Integrate with other systems. Oracle CRM integrates with other Oracle solutions and third-party tools like ERP, marketing automation, and social media platforms, enabling a unified workflow. Analyze performance. Use built-in analytics and reporting to measure sales performance, marketing effectiveness, and customer satisfaction to make data-driven decisions.